Tired of the relentless summer heat? Join me as I escape to the cool, enchanting hill station of McLeodganj for a week of pure bliss. Indulge in soulful food from aromatic chai to delightful meals in some of the cutest cafes that you'll ever see. Shop for boho fashion, of course. Experience the fun and unforgettable memories that we'll create together in Dharamkot or Mini Israel and much more. So, if you like what you hear, then hit the subscribe button and stay along with this. Hi, you guys. Good morning. It is the next day. Today we're going for a trek, Triund trek. It is currently 5:10, and I got up around 4:30. I took a shower, and now I'm going to get ready for the trek. It is going to be so much fun, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So yeah, stick around. It's going to be so much fun. So it's 5:30 now. We are all set and ready. This is what I'm wearing. Got my hair up in a braid. I'll be carrying this cap as well because the sun is going to be quite sharp. So it's just to avoid any kind of dizziness. So I'll be carrying the cap. We'll have water, electrol, and some snackable bits. So yeah. एक छोटा सा शैक है जहाँ पे अभी हम ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे. इट्स अराउंड 6:50 एंड कल्लू मंदिर है, वहाँ पे हमने माथा टेका. एंड आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट विल कंटिन्यू एंड स्टार्ट विद द एक्चुअल ट्रैक. Whenever you're going through rocky terrains like these, do not make the mistake of wearing sneakers or regular shoes. Try and invest in good quality shoes, somewhat like this that has traction, and it helps you to climb all the rocky terrain quite easily and your feet won't hurt. रास्ता बहुत स्टीप हो गया है और अभी बहुत ज़्यादा बाकी नहीं है. हमने काफ़ी कवर कर लिया है. So, guys, as our week in McLeodganj comes to an end, I hope you enjoyed exploring the hidden trails, discovering the charm of Dharamkot, and experiencing the vibrant flavors right from chai paratha to cozy cafes. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.